Question 82, question 10. This is a very standard question again. Fx is divided by this one, the quotient and the remainder. Okay, we know that fx divided by this one equals to the quotient x and the remainder. Okay, and then you can rewrite it as fx equals to the divided by this is quotient x and this is remainder. Okay, so you can rewrite fx like this, and then you can solve the k is 3 or minus 5.5, but you know that it is positive, so reject it. Okay, you have to reject it, otherwise 1 mark will be written. So that the roots of fx equals are all integers. Okay, so once you find out k, you put the k back, and then this is the equation. You know that x plus 2 is divisible, so you try to do it, and then this 3x squared minus 10x squared, x cubed minus 10x squared minus 27x plus 10, you will get this 3x squared minus 16x plus 5. Therefore, again, you factorize it. You find out that there's one root which is not an integer, so you disagree with the claim. Okay. Question 11. The volume is two parts. One is constant and one is varies as v. Okay. You have this model, and then you put back the values. You get two equations, and then you find out k1 and k2. Once you find out the k1 and k2, you put v equals to 28, and then you find the required cos is 19. Part B, Jenny has a big toy car, which is similar to it. Okay, the surface area is 4 times. Okay, surface area is 4 times, so the length is 2 to 1, and the volume is 2 cubed to 1 cube, that is 8 to 1. Okay, the volume is 8 to 1. So the volume becomes 8 times. Okay, you find out the cos is 117, which is not equals to 19 times 8. Okay, so again the claim is not correct. Part 12, you have to know the formula for the cone, the surface area and the volume. Okay, a big cone, height this one and weight is this one. So the volume is pi r squared h, a big cylinder. We cast into two similar cones. Okay, smaller, the height of the smaller one is 16. The height of the larger one is 24. Okay, so again, the ratio of the height is 2 to 3. So the volume is 2 cubed to 3 cubed. Okay, so the total volume, okay, divide by this portion, and then you want to find the smaller one, that is this one. You can find out the volume of the smaller cone is 768 pi cm cube. And part B, the total surface area is of the larger cone is at least 2,700 cm square. Okay, so you know that you are going to find out the radius of the larger cone. The volume of the larger cone should be this one, the total minus the smaller one. So you find that R is 18. The total surface area consists of two parts, the base, okay, and the other part is curved surface area, which is pi r l, okay. Then you find out that this is greater than 240 2,700. So the claim is agreed. Okay, this one. The first few parts is not difficult. Okay, find the value of x. What is x? The interquartile range. There are altogether 20 numbers. The interquartile range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. Okay, this is Q1, this is Q3. Okay, therefore Q3 is 65 and Q1 is this one. Okay, not 5x, not 5x. It's 50 per 6. Therefore, you find out x is 2. And then it is further given that the range exists 36. The range is this one, the biggest one, minus this one. Okay, therefore you got z minus y greater than 6. And then the mean is 58, 59. You can find out y per c equals to 10. Okay, you try that, you will find that z is 9 and y is 1. Okay, because if z is y is 2, z is 8 equals to 10, but 8 minus 2 is not greater than 6. So this is the only choice. And then you will, the last part is a little bit difficult. 2 more students, okay, you don't know the weight of these 2 students. You call it A and B. The mean increased by 1. That is, this will become 60, okay? And the range, what's the range? The range is now is 79, and this one is 41. As you see that these are 1 and 9, okay? If we keep these 2 values, then the range is 38. So either this one change or this one change. You will see that. If you find the mean, you will find out that A plus B equals to 140. And the range is 39 now. If A changes, if the smallest value changes, okay? Say, for example, it is 40, then because these 2 numbers adding up together with 140, so this one becomes 100. The range becomes 60, so it is wrong. If not this one change, is the 39 change, 79 change. Okay, if it change to 80, and then you find that the other one is 60, okay, x 60. Therefore, the weight of this student is this one, okay. We go to question 14, which is a little bit difficult. C1, but there's a K you don't know. You know another circle, C2, touch internally at the point P. That is 2 circles, one the red one, the other one the green one. Okay, touch internally at P, 3 minus 2. Okay, the area of C2 is equal to 4 times the area of C1. This one is C2 and this one is C1. And the radius is A. The radius is, the center is B, okay? Find the value of K. You know that you just put this value into the equation and then you can find out the K. And then find out the equation of C2. You need the radius, center, and radius. Okay, because you have the equation of C1, so the center of A, you can find it out, and the radius of small circle and big circle. because the area is 1 to 4, therefore the radius is 1 to 2. Okay, so this is 5, and this is 5, this is 10. You see that this point B is also on C1. Okay, therefore A is the midpoint of BP. A is the midpoint of BP. Therefore, you can find out the coordinate of B. Once you find out the center and radius, you can find out the equation of B. Okay, C is more difficult. Okay, a straight line L pass through the perpendicular bisector of BP. BP is here. BP is here. L is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so L must pass through A. Okay, and this is the diameter. This is just 10. This is just 10. And then the area and Q upon Q on C2, for example, this one. Okay. Okay. Mn. Okay. Look that Mn is the diameter. Mn equals to 10. Sorry, Nm equals to 10, which is the diameter. Okay. Can you find out C2 upon Q on C2? You see the maximum occurs on this point. And then this length is 15. Therefore, the maximum area of triangle QMN is 1/2 the base MN times 10 plus 5, 15. That is, this is 10, only 75, okay? Only 75 is not greater than 80, okay? It's only 75, not greater than 80, so the claim is agreed.